During the middle of trial testimony, one of the jurors raises his hand and says, "Excuse me, Judge, I didn't understand what that witness said. Could you ask him to explain it?" Can the juror do that here in New York? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, during the course of a trial, it might be an accident trial, it might be a medical malpractice trial, or even a wrongful death trial. And now there are jurors sitting and listening, trying to decide who's more likely right than wrong. During the course of testimony of one witness, a juror decides, you know what, I don't understand what he just said. It's not clear to me. I'd like him to clarify what he just said and to explain further. Does a juror have the ability to raise his hand and yell out, "Judge, I don't understand what the witness just said. Could he please explain it further?" Or can he say that to the attorney or even to the witness? The answer is, in New York, in most of these civil lawsuits, the answer is no. However, there are some judges who allow jurors to write questions about anything that was not clear at the end of a witness being questioned. So, for example, if I put up my medical expert and now I'm done questioning my expert, the judge will turn to the jury in some cases and say, "Ladies and gentlemen, do you have any questions for this doctor?" And if they do, the judge will then have the jury write questions on a piece of paper, hand it to the court officer, who will then hand it to the judge. The judge will then read any questions that come up and then make a determination whether those questions are appropriate or not. If they are appropriate, he will likely discuss the questions with the attorneys, and then it is going to be the judge who turns to the witness to now ask the question. This way, the judge determines which questions are appropriate, which are not, and now the judge is the one to ask the question for clarification. Because I have to tell you something. If one juror is unclear about a particular issue, I guarantee you there are more jurors who are also unclear, and if they're not clear about something, then guess what? It's going to create an issue later on when the case goes to the jury. And I have never seen a situation where a judge will allow the jurors to raise their hand in the middle of questioning of a witness to disrupt the attorney to now seek clarification of a particular answer or a particular question. So why do I share this great information with you today? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on during the course of a trial when a juror has a question and now the issue is, hey, can they raise the question right then and there, or is there some other way to get clarification without disrupting what the attorney is doing and what the witness is saying? You know, I realize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.